You spend hours trying to learn a derivation, but forget it just minutes later. What if I told you there's a much easier and smarter way to learn any derivation permanently? Before we start, subscribe to Better You Fix for more study tips, productivity hacks, and life-changing tricks like this. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Now, starting with your problem. Most students find derivations very difficult to learn. And even after spending hours memorizing them, they forget the steps within a few minutes or a few hours later. The reason is simple. You are trying to learn derivations orally. You just read them again and again and try to memorize them. But here's the smarter way. A derivation is a step-by-step process. When you try to learn it orally, your mind forgets the steps instantly. So instead of memorizing it, start writing it. Take the derivation from your notes, book, or register whatever you are preparing from for your exams. Now write the derivation once. Then write it again. And again. Write it 2, 3, or even 4 times until you feel confident about the sequence of steps. After that, close your notes and try to write the complete derivation by yourself. If you can write it correctly, congratulations, you have successfully learned the same derivation you were struggling with for days. And if you still make mistakes, don't worry. Repeat the process again. Motivate yourself, keep trying, and trust your abilities. Don't forget to like this video. And if your friends are also struggling to learn derivations like you are, share this video with them as well. Stay tuned for more study and life hacks like this. Believe in yourself. You can do it.